Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm going to be swatching the Lacquer Carebears collection. So first off, the packaging is amazing and done so well. This is the collector's edition, so it comes in the cylinder-shaped box with all the shades inside. I honestly think I'm just gonna leave this up for decoration because it's so cute. There are 8 polishes in total, and I also got the nail stickers as well, which I'll be trying out after the swatches. The first shade I'm starting with is Cheer Bear. This is a warm pastel pink. For this one, I applied 2 coats. I really appreciate the even application and the wider brush, which I've become a huge fan of. Next is Love a Lot Bear, which is a warm bubblegum pink. This is a tad bit darker than Cheer Bear, which you can see here since they are next to each other, and I applied 2 coats. Now we have Friend Bear. This is a fun creamsicle orange in 2 coats. Also, if you're planning on grabbing this collection, be sure to use code HANNAH for 10% off your first order at Lights Lacquer. I'll also post a link to the collection below. Here is Funshine Bear. This is a really nice soft sunny yellow. I love the tone of this yellow because most of my yellows are on the cool side and brighter, whereas this is warmer and a tad more muted. For this one, I applied 2 coats. Next up is a Wish Bear. This is a soft aqua mint shade in 2 coats. I feel like this is the perfect mint shade. I have been searching for the perfect mint color for a while because a lot of mine are a little too blue for my liking, so I'm really excited to add this to my collection. This is Bedtime Bear, which is a brighter sky blue shade. I applied 2 coats for this one. Also, as always, let me know what you think of this collection, and if you have any favorites, I'd love to know. Now we have Grumpy Bear. This is a soft blue-violet shade. I think this is such a pretty pastel purple, maybe my favorite out of all the cream polishes. These colors also go really well together, so it's easy to do Skittle manicures like I show you at the end of each set. For this one, I applied 2 coats. Last but not least is Birthday Bear. This is a golden pink opalescent shimmer polish. The shift in this is so gorgeous and eye-catching, and also I did 2 coats. I really wanted to see what it would look like to apply 1 coat of Birthday Bear over all the other shades, and I definitely was not disappointed. I love how it gives me sort of this sugar-coated magical effect, so if you want an easy way to change up these polishes, definitely add 1 coat of Birthday Bear. Okay, so now I'm going to try out these cute nail stickers. I just painted my nails all different colors, then I applied Birthday Bear to the edge of a makeup sponge and sponged onto the tip of the nail to create a shimmer gradient. Then I added the stickers. I really had no rhyme or reason to placing these, just kind of whatever fit. You could also do a gradient for the background instead of the shimmer, which I think would look really nice as well. I'm going to finish with some top coat, and now I have a super cute Care Bears manicure. Alright, so that does it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the Lights Lacquer Carebears collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!